Good afternoon, folks. Thanks for coming back here to my channel to check out what watch deals we've got for you today. Here I've got a Relic men's analog watch, sleek black, model number ZR66033. And one nice feature this has is a chronograph. Now you see it's got 3 subdials. And whenever I push the top 2 o'clock pusher, the top hand moves the top dial and the bottom. And I push it again to stop it. And then I push the 4 o'clock and it goes back. Now you see it's not quite lined up. Let me move these hands. So it's not quite lined up at the 60 and the 00. Now, I already have it to the 2nd position, so that's where you're going to need it to be. Pull it out to the 2nd position, and if I push the top pusher, you see the hand moving. So I'm just going to get it back to 00. It's lined up. And when I push the bottom pusher, I can get it lined up on the 60. And there we go. Now push it back in to the go position, and let me show you what happens. So it's moving, the top pusher is making the top and bottom subdial move. Push it again, it stops, and then to reset it, all goes back to the zeros. The second feature this has is the date. Now the way that we change the date is you pull the crown out to the 1st position. There you go. One thing I like to do to make sure I have the AM and PM correct, and just to make sure the date feature works properly. So it is 4 o'clock PM, but how do you know if you're AM or PM? So pull the crown out to the 2nd position, go around, and there you go, it changed. So that's midnight. So this would be 4 AM. Keep going, and there's your 4 PM. There you have it, guys. Nice Relic watch. Now you know how it works. Go check out the eBay store. Let me know what you think about it.